Welcome to Deploy or Destroy, and today we are reviewing the Beats Power Pro Ear Buds. Let me show these things to you. They're pretty awesome. As you saw in the thumbnail, these things are absolutely fantastic. I was able to get these a little while ago, and I wanted to use them for a little bit before I actually did a review on them. That way I can actually come at you with an actual full-on unbiased review of them. So a couple things I want to mention to you guys. They are 100% wireless, and this is the charging dock that it comes with. It's got the little magnetic spot on the side. You can put them in there. They are magnetized in there to where they're not going to fall out, and that is how they charge. And outside of this, these things will last 9 hours on a charge. And if you put them in there for 5 minutes, you'll get about an hour and a half of charging on these earbuds. That's how cool these things are. Okay, when I say that they are zero wireless, they are literally zero wires, none whatsoever for charging, nothing for putting on your ears or in your ears or any of that stuff. There is no wires whatsoever. They have adjustable ear hooks that go on your ears for your right and your left. Super comfortable, sweat resistant and water resistant. So if you're active out running around, jogging, riding a bike, skateboarding, whatever it is, you can actually wear these things out there. They will not get ruined by sweat. They will not get ruined by moisture or water because they are water resistant and sweat resistant. Each one you can wear independently from the other one. You do not have to wear both of them at the same time. You can actually wear one. It has its own volume rocker on the side here to turn it up, turn it down. It's got its own active button that you can push for answering phone calls, hanging up phone calls, turning them on, turning them off. That's your power button. They come with 3 different ear tips that you can put on the end of it to make it more comfortable for your ear size. You have to have the earbuds inside the docking station to be able to pair them. You cannot pair them outside of the docking station. So you put them inside here, you see the red light, that shows that they're being charged. Open it up and you can power it. You can see right here there's a little button on the side of this that you can push this, depress this button, and that will allow you to pair to your phone or whatever device you're using, iPad, Android devices. And Beats is an Apple product. Believe it or not, Beats was bought out by Apple. So don't hold that against them. They're still good. Even if you have Android, which I do because I'm not a fan of Apple, but I like these. All right, so a couple things that people will tend to tell you in regards for this as opposed to the Apple AirPods. The Apple AirPods have a smaller case, which is probably about half the size of this, and it's about half as thick. This is a little bit of a larger case, but if you're carrying it around in a bag or a backpack, no problem. But if you're putting it in your pocket, it's a little bit difficult to put it in your pocket. So put it in a bag and carry it in a backpack, or however you want to carry it around. I'm gonna leave that up to you. It's the perfect little earbuds if you're on the go, if you're a runner, biker, like I said, ride skateboard, ride your bike, however you want to do it. These are the perfect ones. They will not come off your ear in the middle of running. All right, so now you're asking me, how about the sound? What does the sound do? What does the sound do? How does it sound? Let me tell you. I took these when I went to SHOT Show in Las Vegas, and I wore them on the airplane, and I'm thinking, you know what, I'm probably not going to be able to hear because the airplane usually is so loud and you need noise canceling headphones. I didn't have any trouble with these whatsoever. I wore them for a 6.5 hour flight on the way there and a 6 hour flight on the way back, and I still had battery. Now there was a point where I had forgot to charge them the night before, so I put them in the charging dock and I stuck them in there, closed it up, 10 minutes, pulled it out, had the rest of the flight without any problem. From what I've known in the past from Beats audio is they tend to be a little bit bassy. I did not find that in these things. I didn't get any sort of overexertion of bass or high trebles or anything like that. The balance of the music in the movies that I was listening to came through perfectly. I didn't have any issue at all whatsoever. So now I'm gonna put them on. I'm gonna go for a ride on the skateboard. I'm gonna go for a ride on the bike. I'm gonna put them in. You can check them out. You can see how well they sit in the ear. But let me just show you how easy they are to put on, even with the hat on. You slide it on, slide it over top of your ear, and you're good to go. These are the flat black ones. They do come in other colors, but I prefer the black ones because it's a little more sleek, a little hidden, as opposed to having bright white ones on your ears. They kind of stand out. But these are actually really cool. These run for right around $249. You can get them at, you can pick them up at your local electronics store. The POWERBEATS PRO earbuds. Go check them out. I'll leave a link in the description below for POWERBEATS. Hey, thanks for watching Deploy or Destroy. Let's go for our skate ride.